Hi, welcome to Such and Study Tech. Today we are discuss keywords. So tokens in Java. Now we can discuss in this video. We can discuss keywords. So keywords in Java are reserved words with predefined meaning that define the structure and the behavior of the code and cannot be used as a identifier. Later session you can discuss what is meant by identifier. Now in this video we can discuss keywords. So what are the keywords is there? Now for example here the keywords data types, right? Already we had discussed primitive data types, right? The data types are byte, short, like int, long, float, double, and character, char, and boolean. These are primitive data types: byte, short, long, float, double, char, and boolean. So these are the data types. These are keywords. Now you can see the control flow. Control flow like if, else, switch. In that switch you can use the case, right? Here also you can use the default, and looping statement like for loop and while, do, break, continue, and return. These are the control flow. And exception handling, you can use some keywords. Exception handling like try, catch, throws, and finally. So these are the keywords used in exception handling, right? Next, classes and object structure. Class and object structure, you can use the class like interface, enum, and you can extends is a keyword, and implements. In interface you can use the implements, and a new keyword, you can create object for the class by using new, and this keyword, and the super keyword like instance of. So these are the keywords used in class and objects, right? Now we can see access modifiers. You can use the keywords access modifiers, but already we are using public, like private, protected, access modifier, and non-access modifiers you can use. These are also keywords, non-access modifiers like static, and final is a keyword, and abstract, and synchronized you can use in threading concept. synchronized is a keyword. Right, volatile, volatile, right, transient, transient, native, native, and strict FP. So these are the keywords used in non-access modifier. And like packages, packages and import, here also you can use some keywords, package and import. Right, package, you can create a package, you can use the keyword package is a keyword, and you can import the package, right, you can import the package, you can use the import is a keyword, import, right. Assertion, also use assertion, assertion, and debugging, you can use the assert is a keyword, assert is a keyword. And some reserved words are there, so but not used, that is go to and const. These are the words are used but not used. Okay, so these are the general keywords is existed in JDK 21, JDK 21. It is released in 2023, September 2023. In that we have 53 keywords, 53 reserved words is there in JDK 21. Now we can see the keywords here. Already I discussed this keyword. So these are, each is, here it is a 10, here is 10 keywords is there, here each column, here you can see here the 10 keywords. So const and go to are reserved but not used in Java. And also here it is also a reserved words true, false and nulls. So these 50 plus these 3, so the total is 53. 53 keywords is there in JDK 21. Now true, false and null are literals, not a keyword, but still cannot be used as a identifier. Okay, true or false or null cannot use as a identifier, right? So in addition with that, in JDK, so Java 9, in addition to the core Java keywords, the Java platform module system introduced in Java 9 also coded some module related keywords. Okay, so these are the module related keywords. These are reserved words. So these reserved words are module and open, opens, requires, exports, uses, provides, to, with, transitive. So these are the 10 reserved words is also there. These reserved words used, for example, here the contextual keywords reserved only inside the module. Okay, these keywords inside the module, module info.java. In that case, you cannot use these 10 reserved words, you cannot use it as a identifier in module info.java only. Otherwise, okay, these are used, these what are the keywords reserved words is there, these reserved words also used in general programming. So outside that module you can use it as a like a variable name or method name also. So now you can see the simple example. Now you can understand the clearly, you can see, for example, so in this class having, for example, I am declare one variable int. Okay, you know the class is a keyword, right? So class equal to, for example, 25. Just if you want to print class here, so class, so you know already class is a keyword. So just you can save this program. Now you can run this, you can compile this program, you can see int class error statement. Okay, so the semicolon is expected, right? So where it is, so identifier system dot println class. So these are the errors is raised here. You can see, for example, any keyword starts with the small letter, right? Any keyword starts with the small letter. So I am declare here it is a C class. Okay, capital letter I am consider C is a capital letter. Now you can see, just you can save this program, just you can compile. So you can compile here, it is here also you can print that. Here you can use the capital C, right? Just you can compile this program. Now you can see, so the program is compiled Java, and you can run that program here, Java test 25. Okay, so here any keywords starts with the small letter, so I am considering here the capital, so it is a not a keyword, that's why it is no error, right? Here public is a you know already, public is public, private, protected is a access modifiers. So those are the keywords. And static void is also a keyword, right? You can see the class is a keyword. Here in blue color you can see what are the see here, those are the keywords. Okay, now any keywords starts with the small letter, right? For example, I'm here, I'm using like for, just if you can see that what is the for, just you can print the here for. So just you can print, just you can save this program. Now you can compile this program. Here also it can see illegal start of expression here. So for is a keyword, right? So that's we cannot use it as a keyword. Any keyword you cannot use it as an identifier, right? So that's why you can for example, if you can use that, okay, here it is not a, now this for is not a keyword, right? You can use that, but better to avoid that. Any keyword you cannot use it as an identifier. Now can compile this, just you can run this. Okay, so here you can see open is also a, open is also a reserved word, you know, but it is not used within the module, that's why the open you can use hit directly here, you can see. So you can compile, you can compile this program. Okay, just you can run this program here, you can see the 25. Okay, in open also. So now these are the differences how to identify. Here you can see the open. Okay, maybe you can use the module as a variable name or anything. Here what are the reserved words is there in introduced in Java 9. These words are you can use it as a method name or variable names. Okay, but inside the module cannot use as a identifier. So that is the rule. Here these are the 53 keywords. What are the 53 keywords is there? These 53 keyword you cannot use it as an identifier. Okay, cannot be used as an identifier. Here the true, false, null also cannot use it as an identifier. Okay, now we can see here I am using right, for example, class and also for. Now you can use these are the true and false, null also you can check here. For example, I am using here, it is a true, here it is a true, so just you can print the true. What is the, you can see, just you can clear the screen here. Now you can compile this program. Now you can compile here also, it can see error, not a statement. Okay, like this. So what is the problem here? Now just have to change that. Now it is, this true is not a keyword, right? Just you can use it as an identifier. Now you can see this is the output. Now there is no problem. Okay, so any true or null. So for example, I am using null. Null is also a keyword, right? You cannot use it as an identifier. Just you can save this program. Now you can compile. You can compile this program. Here also error. Now I am using null. So in this case no problem, but any keyword cannot use it as an identifier. Okay, so Java is a case sensitive, so null is different, null. Okay, that's why here this null you can use it as an identifier. Okay, but Any keyword starts with the small letter, that's why the null is different than null. Here this null you can use as an identifier. So in that case there is no error, right? So this is the keywords. What are the keywords is there in these 53 keywords? You cannot use it as an identifier. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Later video can discuss more tokens in Java.